Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you have watched my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please do check it out. The link is in the description box. Let's move on to today's video without any delay. You know what? I was thinking why shouldn't I post a video which is really trending nowadays. Machine learning, the last video which I posted, was also something which is really trending in today's world. So these concepts, I would request you all to go in detail if you can, or if you don't want to research or do something like that, do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a detailed video on all these things, because I'm just going a rough sketch. Okay, these are the rough sketches. I won't be going in detail because it takes time, and not just time, the video would be extremely lengthy. So if you want such a video, do let me know in the comment section. And before getting into today's video, I would love to request you all to please subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button and bell icon, and do share this with your friends too. So let's move on to today's video. This is all about the full stack developer roadmap, that is end-to-end details about how to become a full stack developer, because you might have been hearing a lot these days that full stack developers earn a lot, right? The salary is very high. That's true, in fact, because as a full stack developer, a person deals with he builds the software from the first thing to the last thing. He manages everything. That is why he is called a full stack developer. That is, may it be front end, may it be back end, everything is managed by that developer. So that's why he is called a full stack developer. And let's move on to the in detail concept, like how to become a full stack developer. So coming to the first one, which is the HTML. So we have reached the root number one, or the location number one, which is HTML. You might know this is a skeleton of a website, the very basic thing of a website which you need to know. When you say about the updated one, go for the HTML5 version and learn it extremely well, not just the basics. Just make sure that you're very good with HTML. So what you need to learn under HTML, the basics of HTML, some HTML APIs which are present. APIs are in the sense application programming interfaces. So there are various such things. You can learn it through various platforms, and also make sure that you learn HTML forms, because that's also a main thing in HTML. So almost everything about HTML do have a knowledge about it. Coming to the next one, which is the CSS. CSS is the cascading style sheets, that is, which gives the HTML code a feel, a look, a great feel. Okay, so that means you are giving colors to the HTML page here, making it look good. So that is where the CSS plays a role. So in CSS, most of the things you might need to learn is flex, grids, and some positioning like absolute positioning, relative positioning, all those things. Selectors also you need to learn. So these are the very few concepts which you need to keep in mind, or you need to understand. So selectors in the sense those class and div and all those things which you need to learn. So these are main. Apart from this, please do have a knowledge in other things too, just at least the basics. So coming to the next one, which is the JavaScript and the frameworks. So when you talk about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it is like a website skeleton is the HTML. When you give color to it, when it looks good, that is CSS. When you make it do something, that is, when you click on something, it should perform something. All the actions, that is managed by JavaScript. So coming to the JavaScript and the frameworks which are under it, like React.js, there are many things, right? React.js, Angular.js, so many things. So all those frameworks, out of it, I would suggest you to learn React.js, Express.js, and also Node.js. You need to be aware of all these things. And under JS and frameworks, you need to learn the basics. Under JS, okay, under JS you need to learn the basics, functions and event handling. Same is with the frameworks too. You need to know at least how the syntax is and the basics of it, and particularly the functions and also event handling. These are really important things when it comes to a full stack development. Coming to the backend, so these all comes under the front end. Coming to the backend, you should have knowledge in MySQL as well as MongoDB and all. Just have the basic knowledge, basics of MySQL, and also schema related things you need to be aware of. You know what, in database there is a schema, right? So all those things should be kept in mind, or you should be aware of, or you should, when needed, you should be able to code in that way. using a schema or using a function, procedure, anything such. Coming to the last one, you have learned all these things, right? That's all. Done and dusted with all the learning concepts. Now it's time to apply it. We have got here, I have provided you some of the live projects which you can try out. I've listed 4. So let me tell you, go for a live project, build it from scratch. You will be a successful full stack developer. Coming to the live projects which I would like to suggest you is chatbot, which is like chat. You might have interacted at least one chatbot, right? Which one should I say? Any website you open in the recent times, there are many websites which offer this. Going to the next one, chatbot might not give you the facility of speaking, okay? Text to speech might not be there at times, so that's why I've also mentioned PA app, which is a personal assistant app. That is just like a replica or clone of the Siri or this Google Assistant or Cortana or Alexa or something like that. Okay, so next is the clones in the sense, the IG clone, Instagram clone, and Twitter clone, and also these are famous clones which people have developed till late. So and also the Spotify clone. All these are really great examples to work on. Next is a to-do app. To-do app in the sense it should list you that it should also remind you, it should also list out the things you need to do, it should also be editable, every feature that is available in your phones. Please keep a note of it. If you want to add extra features, just add it and make the final app, and do it from end to end, that is from designing to prototype to the live project, that is to the backend and hosting it or publishing it, whatever it is. Do it from scratch. Okay, start working on projects. I think I need not talk about that because I've already made a video how I made 3+ years of experience even when I was doing my CS degree. So check it out and do let me know in the comment section if I need to make a detailed video on this roadmap. If you want it, I'll share for sure. Before winding up, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button and the bell icon, and also do share this with your friends. Do share your feedback in the comment section because that really matters a lot. Do follow me on all my social media handles because I keep posting something or the other related content on my social media handles, so do follow me there too. And thank you so much, and until we meet the next time, till then, take care and bye bye.